Let's draw the spider bot from Spidey and his amazing friends. So it's gonna be simple, easy, completely step-by-step for beginners. So let's get started. Okay, it's also gonna be really, really short. So stay to the very end of the lesson. Maybe like 5-10 minutes, so maybe less. All right, let's get started over here. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the curve of the top of the robot. So over here I'm gonna draw. Curve right there. Gonna draw the side over here. Side over here. And then curve underneath. And I'm gonna go over here, this area. Curve up. For one of the eyes, go over here on this side, pull that same curve on this side, and curve down here on that side, and curve down here on this side. Over here on this, curve, getting that big, thick line in there, right? You're creating this kind of line. We're on this side, curve underneath here. I'm gonna fill that line we created in dark. You can do this in anything. You can do this in pencil. It'll work in anything pretty much. So don't be, too, if it's pencil, probably it's a lot easier, maybe, because you're using the side of the pencil, right? You're leaning the pencil on its side in order to create that large shade. Right there. Going over here on this side. So hopefully you're having a pretty good time. Hopefully you're a big Spider-Man fan. If you like learning how to draw stuff in general, don't forget to, basically, if you like learning stuff like this, like Spider-Man or like Sonic or, Roblox or any type of drawing of characters in general, absolutely, if that sounds good to you in short format, hit the subscribe button right now and click the bell notification. That's gonna let you know when I post, because if you don't click that bell notification, you'll really never know. But if my stuff here is worth your time, please consider subscribing. All right, let's go over here and I'm gonna draw the bottom. Curve line down, line over here, pull up. Okay. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the thick part of the legs before we draw the other part. So the thick part of the legs, so for example, right here, butting up against it, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve right there on that side. Pull down, curve down this side. Gonna go over here, curve over here on that side, pull down, curve. Right there. Kind of these, like, it looks like a pickle or something like that, but the pointy end is on the bottom. And these are the spider legs essentially, right? So we're drawing another one back here. Kind of hidden behind that. Over here as well. And maybe another one over here in the back, and over here, where those you probably won't see the bottom of. For the most part, you won't see the bottom of them. And so they all have their own design, right? So right here, there's gonna be like an oval shape toward the top. Same thing over here on this side. They're kind of facing outward. Oops, that was a little small. Let me fill it in as well. Go over here, curve line in, U. Curve line over here, straight line in, kind of a U shape. Straight line in, kind of a U shape. All right. Now, what I want to do is I want to draw the thin parts, the part like right here. Coming in, kind of a ball shape, then line into the base, almost like a straw. See how thin the legs are in comparison? Over here in the back, you're gonna see another one. Circle for the joint, pulling in. Over here on this side, down, down, circle, up, up. Line, line, maybe the circles on this side, right there. You only have to draw a couple of those because a lot of them are just gonna kind of blend into the background, right? So, I mean, for the most part, it's relatively easy. If you really want another one too, you can draw like another one up here, but it's not really necessarily that, like the more legs, I mean. So, but that's it. That's the spider bot. Let me see. As far as adding anything to it, you could add a thicker line on the bottom here. There. It's kind of adding like thicker lines toward the bottom to make it feel like there's more shadow toward the bottom of this stuff. And it's going to give it more gravitas, more weight. So that's always a good thing. But you don't have to do this part. This part is just kind of like an extra part to add on in case you want to make, you know, like better looking stuff. You know, just kind of like, that's more of a style thing that I don't normally add into these. Oh, sometimes I do, because I want you guys to succeed. So, but I mean, you can even do it to like places that are on the top too if you want. And curve in over here. And curve in over here. I might fill in that area. But that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. What I want you to do is I want you to say hi to me. And I want you, if you want to support the channel, share the video anywhere. It takes less than a second. It's great fun to talk to you guys in the comment section. And that's it. I keep evolving the channel. I'm going to start making stickers, by the way. I haven't really fully announced it yet, but I'm going to start making stickers to put on here. Kind of like artistic ones for you guys to, you know, collect and stuff like that. So thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I'll talk to you very, very soon.
Skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it kind of, I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.